Thank you very, very much. We want to wish you a lovely weekend. We say thank you. May God bless you abundantly.
Thank you. Let us clap for our administrator. Thank you so much. Before we receive the final blessing, I have a gift for each one of the Bagore here. That's our usual. We always have a gift. And in this gift, it's in the form of a homework. Kumagala kusoma. Kelezia has been around. Thank you for coming. And the other media houses. Thank you. So they give you this gift, which is the homework. And there's another gift inside there. Our Muslims is Magala song. So there is a gift inside this brown envelope. So all of you will receive the gift. But before we go, our parish is a ghetto parish. You see it? So, yes. And we are in the process of renovating it. So in November, we are beginning some renovation. We shall begin with the shuku. This is the shuku, the sanctuary. So before Monsignor gives us the final blessing in 2 minutes time, I would like the parents, of Kabbalah parents, we have some harvest where?
Hello.
Harvest envelopes. Harvest envelopes. Please take this envelope and put for us something. Oh, you can come here and you bring it here. That's a shall recognize you. Something. Dear parents of Kamala parents, you are our strength. You are our strength. Please come and give us something as help us renovate this church. We are here. I'm so happy. She's the one in Kampala parents and King of Kings. She's helped by Kati. This William, where are you? You face is putting on a very nice suit. Thank you. And the Semanga Basin from Ghana. Thank you. And teacher Rose Lukunya. Thank you so much. That is Kampala parents and the teacher Winnie from King of Kings. Who is she? Thank you. So this is King of Kings, this is Kampala parents. Our dear parents, thank you for coming. Children, give flowers to the parents. Thank you for coming. Very good. Parents say flowers. Now children, stand up and give flowers to Monsignor. Mangwe, Mwilini Monsignor. We thank the choir. Thank you so much for singing. Now I'm going to invite a representative. I have seen the HM, the teacher, and I think the principal of Kampala parents. They will come, I'll give them 2 minutes. They come and they say the word. And she's called Mrs. Kato. They come and say the word. We thank you. I'm calling Father Kato Jew, so she's called Mrs. Kato. So you may feel, hey, thank you so much for coming. You can stand here. You may stand here.
Thank you very much, Reverend Father Kato. Very good stories, and we request that you continue doing this. Kampala Public School, by the way, fears God, because we know the fear of the beginning of wisdom and knowledge. So children, congratulations. Our dear parents, can we give, what should we give our children? Flowers? I think we give them all flowers. They're so smart. Flowers, yellow, red, green. Our children, congratulations. Once again, I want you to say thank you, thank you. May God bless you abundantly. We have some gift here, and it is from the school, the culture of the church here. Whenever there's a function of this kind, you have to buy a gift which has to be used by all the Reverend Fathers who work in the church. So we have it here, and Reverend Father Kati, I request that you come and receive it. And then to our main celebrant, who also have some gift for you in the envelope, not certain people. And I have the representative here who is going to give the microphone.
Good afternoon. My name is Essanyu. Good morning. My name is Essanyu from Kampala Parent School. Father Kati, who is always at our school, we love you, and Kati, we love you. Thank you, Mrs. Zukunya and Teacher William and Madam for always being there for us. The teacher representative, Mr. we compliment our principal, Mrs. Kati, staff, parents of Kampala Parent School. Thank you for the two sacraments we have got today. We transport you back home with Daniel.
Thank you so much. And King of Kings, our President King of Kings, thank you so much for coming and always supporting the work of God. May God continue to give you money. And may the blessing of Almighty God, the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit descend upon you and make with you forever. God forever and serve the Lord. Okay. Let's have a photo, one photo.